Hi, my name is Angela. I'm a public adjuster, and I wanted to share with you in this video the number one question I get when I go over policies with homeowners, and that is, why is my home insurance price going up? And this is the answer I usually give them in the top three. The cost of reinsurance going up. What is reinsurance? Well, even insurance companies have their own insurance companies. So if they get close to maxing out on um, their cash funds available to do payouts for damages, then they obviously put in a claim to their own insurance company. Secondly, construction costs due to inflation. That's pretty much a no-brainer. Um, we've seen in the last couple of years how high inflation has gone up. And if you have damage to your home, the cost of replacement uh, wood products, tubes, yeah, anything construction oriented is obviously a whole lot more higher than previously, and then they pass that on to you. Thirdly, more weather damages. Now, with weather damages, um, I use Florida as an example because everybody knows about the hurricanes, etc. So the number one state that has the number one price of premium coverage is Florida, simply because of the weather. Now, um, a tip I'm going to give you guys that may help you if you decide to shop around for insurance, because there are thousands of insurance companies across the nation that can provide you coverage. Okay. It's not just the big ones you see on TV that pop up on your social media, or the ones that have the storefront offices, and I'm not going to name their names, but you know who they are, you know their jingles in your head. um, but if you were to contact your state insurance office, okay, there's a director of insurance, and they have an office. Usually it's located in the state capital. And you contact them and ask them for a list of homeowner insurance companies and do some homework, do some price shopping, do some comparison. And you can get better coverage too, because you can get a regional insurance company that covers, Pennsylvania, Ohio, West Virginia, which obviously is not prone to tropical storms, and you could possibly get a better rate because the cost of doing business is lower in areas that do not have major storms, as opposed to those great big national companies that you know their names. So it's good to shop around. So that's my tip for you. You can actually do some research, get that list of information, and do some calling. Say, hey, I'm just doing some price shopping. This is my current rate, and make sure uh, you do some due diligence on your policy if you do buy a policy, or if you want, you could, contact me, and I would, go through the policy with you prior to you purchase to make sure you get exactly what you need. Because the insurance agents, regardless of the company, is going to present their product plan to you, and you may be focused on the price and the deductible, whereas someone like me will be focused on where are the shortcomings? Where could you really get dinged with this policy? Making sure all the gaps are covered, all the inclusions are covered. Find out what the exemptions are. That way you don't have any ugly surprises. So I hope this helps. If you want to reach out to me, you can message me, or send me an email, or call me by cell. I'll be available to talk to you and answer some more questions. All right, you guys have a great day. Take care.